Boboi Galaxy! Boboi Galaxy! Boboi Galaxy!
Powerspheres are high-tech robots carrying unimaginable superpowers. Coveted by many, these Powerspheres fled and hid themselves in various parts of the galaxy. However, one by one, Powerspheres have been hunted down and captured by those with ill intent. And now, their powers are used to wreak havoc and destruction throughout the universe. This is the story of Earth's superhero named Boboi in his quest to save the Powerspheres and defend our galaxy. Good morning, everyone! On this beautiful and historic day, I, Commander Kokuchi, am pleased to announce my spaceship has been repaired, completely restored, and ready to travel into space!
Hooray!
And now, the time has come for all members of Top Ops here on Earth to head back to Top Ops Space Station!
Can't we just stay here on Earth, Commander?
Negative! We need to head back to Top Ops to deliver the Powerspheres that have been rescued. And we need to send Captain Cyborg and his minions to prison. Before we head off, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude to Toaba for giving us food and shelter during our time on Earth. Top Ops will forever be in your debt.
Oh, there's no need for that. I'll send you the bill later.
Very well. Get ready, everyone! Time to head off into space!
Let's go!
Open the teleportal now, Ochabot!
Affirmative! I have to leave now, though. Take care, okay?
Justice's heart is filled with sorrow.
Hey, my grandson's leaving and you're the one crying?
Justice! Justice weeps not for your grandson, but for the kitty of justice! Why do you need to bring Cactus along, huh? Bye-bye, Cactus! Don't forget to ride, okay? Comment when you can, or just text me, okay?
Come on, sir. A cat can't do all that. Cut it out!
Awesome. Okay, sir. Taba, we gotta go now. Let's go, Chabot. Bye, everyone.
Bye! Have a safe trip!
Oh, man. I'm exhausted.
How can you be exhausted? You didn't even teleport us that far.
Hey, this is far enough.
That's right. If we teleport straight to Top Up Station, we might burn off all of Ochobot's energy.
You need to rest, Ochobot, and recharge your energy. Come, follow me.
Huh? Whoa! What is this place?
Ponchobot. This is where all Powosferas can rest and recharge themselves.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Boboi!
This feels good.
Oh, Cactus, Spellbot. Why did you join them as well? Don't mind if I do. What a great place to rest and relax.
Commander, don't we get rooms to rest as well?
Of course you do.
Whoa!
We get our own rooms? This is our room?
Yes. What do you think? Is it okay?
This is storage, not a bedroom.
This is what you start out with as lower class cadets. If you want a much nicer room, work hard to get promoted to Lance Corporals like Yaya and Ying.
Huh? Whoa! This room is gorgeous! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! They even get a nice view.
We can look at the stars before we sleep at night.
Commander, thanks for giving us such a beautiful and spacious room!
My pleasure.
Come on, Commander. Let's see our room now. I bet ours is way better. What did I do wrong to get a room like this?
Be grateful, Gopal. At the very least, we have a place to rest.
That's right. If not, you will be sleeping in the... What was that?
Boboi, Commander, come to the bridge, quick!
What's going on? Let's go! Hurry up, cadets! What was that? Are we under attack?
No, Commander! Look!
Mr. Papa?
What? What do you think you're doing here?
Nothing much. Justice only misses his beloved cactus.